What's up guys, I'm Heath Pinner. I'm here to show you the brand new Muc-Off motorcycle care range, officially licensed by Harley-Davidson. Today I'm running through the 3 brush set. In the range we've got 3 different brushes, each designed for a specific job. Different parts of your bike collect different types of dirt, and using the wrong brush can lead to scratches or swirl marks. This set is designed to make cleaning easier, safer, and more effective. This is the soft washing brush, designed for larger areas and general cleaning. It features soft, sintered bristles that help care for delicate finishes while still lifting dirt effectively. The oversized head makes quick work of cleaning, while the rubberized edges help protect metalwork and surrounding components. Just a heads up, the bristles may appear slightly gray or dusty. That's completely normal and part of the sintering process designed to prevent scratching and swirl marks. The 2-prong brush is ideal for reaching hard-to-shift dirt on spokes, brake discs, and tight areas. It features durable nylon bristles for lifting stubborn grime and is a super handy brush to have in your cleaning kit. And the wheel and component brush features a unique curved design for fast, effective cleaning, so no more dirty hubs and tires. Remember, always let the bike cool before using any brushes. Never use excessive pressure when scrubbing dirt with brushes. Loosening up heavy dirt is what bike wash is for. The Muc-Off motorcycle care range is now available at your local Harley-Davidson dealership and online at mucoff.com.